Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support here. Today I'm going to show you the Checklist plugin access management feature. The access management means that some options and features of the plugin itself could be granted for a normal Redmine user, in other words, non-administrator user. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step so you will see what I'm talking about. So currently I'm logged in as administrator here onto this Redmine, and now I go to users and create a new user. Okay, I'm going to name it, for example, login as Neo from the Matrix, as first name Neo, second name, actually he's Mr. Anderson. Okay, and yeah, put some password. Okay, so confirm this password and create the user. Sorry. Yeah, the email address is not good. Okay. Just to repeat the password. Okay, so now it should be good. Okay, so our new user of Redmine is created. So we are going to add it to some projects. Currently, I'm going to add it to the Agile project, and his role should be reporter. Okay. And now, as I'm being logged as administrator, I go to administration and now roles and permissions and reporter. So this is the role of Neo from the Matrix. So the checklist plugin has four options for access management. They are all located into the issue tracking field. So we scroll down and see the issue tracking, and the checklists are these. So this is view checklists, non-checklists, edit, and manage. Okay, so just to yeah, currently I'm going to disable all the options for this guy Neo, and yeah, leave him with no access management for checklists, just to show you how the thing is working. And I'm going to the Agile project and create some testing issue. So it could be named, for example, testing issue for Neo from the Matrix. And description, he's going to see the checklists. Okay, so I add some checklist here. I'm going to add it from the template so it will be easier for me. Okay, so yeah, it's a pretty long checklist. I'm going to mark some items and just create the all right, I have some custom field here. Sorry about that. Just need to remove it. Checklist custom field. Okay, I'm going to remove it. So let's try to save again. Okay, so we have just created our new ticket, and yeah, it has checklist, a pretty long checklist, and it has a couple of items that are enabled. All right. Okay, so let's sign out. We sign out as administrator and now sign in with Neo from the Matrix. So he's Neo from the Matrix, and we put the password. Okay, we're going to save it for Neo. Go to the Agile project and the issues, and here is the issue for Neo. So okay, we see that we are currently logged in as Neo, and Neo currently cannot see any checklist because he has no access management to this feature. We have disabled all the features for his role in this project. He's a reporter, so he is not able to see the checklists. Now let's sign out again and sign in as administrator. So this is, by the way, this is our demo server, that is demo.redmineup.com. So the admin credentials are admin. If you wish, you could test it anytime. It is just for testing purposes for our clients. Okay, so currently I'm logged in as administrator again, and here it is, logged in as admin. Now I go to administration, roles and permissions, and reporter, and scroll down to the checklist, for checklist items, and just enable the view checklists. Okay, so I submit and save the changes, and now sign out again and sign in again, this time with Neo from the matrix. Go again to the Agile project, go to the issues, and when I open the ticket for Neo, I see that the checklist is now appearing here. So I can view the checklist logged in as Neo, because Neo has now this permission enabled for him. But if Neo decides to just click on the items here at the checklist, it is impossible because he is not having this permission. So when I hover the mouse here, there is a sign that is currently not allowing Neo to click everything here on the checklist. Neither the disabled nor the enabled items. Okay, so we're going to change this by just sign out and logged in as administrator again. Okay, so the steps are absolutely the same. We go to administration here on the top right corner, then roles and permissions, then reporter, and search for the checklists. And okay, currently we have view checklists, and now we're going to add the done checklist items. Okay, so save the changes, and now the magic is done. So we sign out again and sign in as Neo from the matrix. Okay, we go to the project, go to the issues, open his ticket, and as expected here we are logged in as Neo from the matrix. He is the one, and as being the one, he's able to select and unselect the checklist items. Okay, let's do some test. Yeah, he's able to check. Okay. Uh, yeah, so it is working. So if I refresh the page, then we see that updated less than a minute. And yeah, here are the history of changes added by Neo Anderson. Uh, and yeah, the changes are still here because Neo has just done these changes. Okay, so yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was good for you. It was about showing the access management feature of the checklist plugin. And yeah, if you like the video, you could check out our videos on our channel of YouTube. You could subscribe if you like it. You could thumb up, comment, and everything. If you have some problems or questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@redmineup.com. And yeah, our support engineers will help you anytime. So thanks again for the patience of watching this video, and bye bye for now.